Dear students, today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 2, solutions. Chapter 2, solutions, and how we can define a solution. The homogeneous mixture of two or more components is called solution. The homogeneous mixture of two or more components or substances is called solutions. Now, what are the components of solution? What are the components of solution? So there are two components mainly. First, solute. Second, solvent. The component which is in lesser amount is called solute, and the component which is in large amount is called solvent. Now, if we take example, aqueous solution of salt represents a solution. Aqueous solution of salt represents a solution in which salt is solute and water is solvent. Now we want to classify the solutions. Classification of solutions. The first base to classify the solution is on the basis of number of components. On the basis of number of components. On this basis, the first type of solution is binary solutions which have two components, and we can take an example of NaCl and water. Ternary solutions, there will be three components. The example may be NaCl, sugar and water. Quaternary solution, there are four components and the solution of this category will be NaCl, sugar, lemon juice and water. Now, the second classification is on the basis of physical state of solvent. On the basis of physical state of solvent. If we consider the physical state of solvent, the solutions are of three types. First, gaseous solution. If the solvent is gas, then the solution is called gaseous solution. Second, liquid solution. If the solvent is liquid, then the solution is called liquid solution. Third, solid solution. If the solvent is solid, then solution is called solid solution. Now, each of these type of solutions are of three types. First, if we dissolve gas in gas. Second, if we dissolve liquid in gas. And third, if we dissolve solid in gas. The example of gas in gas is mixture of oxygen and nitrogen. Mixture of gases, oxygen and nitrogen. Liquid in gas. The example of liquid in gas is chloroform in nitrogen or chloroform in atmosphere. If we consider example for solid in gas, that may be camphor in nitrogen, camphor in atmosphere. Now, second solution is liquid solution. It is also of three types. First, if we dissolve gas in liquid. Second, if we dissolve liquid in liquid. And third, we dissolve solid in liquid. The example for gas in liquid is oxygen in water or carbon dioxide in water. The example for liquid in liquid is ethanol in water, and the example of solid in liquid is sugar in water or NaCl in water. Now, the third type of solution is solid solution, and the solid solution may be of three types. First, if we dissolve gas in solid. Second, if we dissolve liquid in solid. And third is we dissolve solid in solid. The example of gas in solid is hydrogen on nickel, oxygen on metal. Third, the example of liquid in solid is amalgam of mercury with metals. Amalgam of mercury with metal. As we know that mercury is liquid and other metals are solid. So, if we take example zinc amalgam, in which zinc will be solid and mercury will be liquid. The third type of solid solution is solid in solid, in which solid solute is dissolved in solid solvent. The example of this kind of solution is alloys. As we know that alloys are homogeneous mixture of two or more metals, and we have studied that the homogeneous mixture of two or more components is called solution. Now, on this basis, we come to know that there are 9 type of solutions. 9 type of solutions. The gaseous solutions are of 3 types, liquid solutions are of 3 types, and solid solutions are also of 3 types. So total 9 types of solutions on this basis, if we consider the physical state of solvent.